Hello again. This time we will talk about low-level design in SSADM.
Low-level design is a component-level design process that follows a step-by-step refinement process. This process can be used for designing data structures, required software architecture, source code, and ultimately performance algorithms. Overall, the data organization may be defined during requirement analysis and then refined during data design work. Post-build, each component is specified in detail. The LLD phase is a stage where the actual software components are designed. During the detailed phase, the logical and the function design is done, and the design of the application is developed during the high-level design phase. The goal of LLD, or low-level design document, is to give the internal logical design of the actual program code. High-level design is created based on the low-level design. LLD describes the class diagram with methods and relation between the classes and the program specs. It describes the modules so that the programmer can directly code the program from the document.
In our case, the low-level design is mostly taken the place at the stage 5, logical design. This stage involves you specifying the new system through designing the menu structure and dialogues of the required system. The steps in this stage include defining the user dialog, defining update process, and defining the inquiry processes.
This statement focuses on requirements, not the program specification or the procedures. Also in this statement, the menu and the dialog structures, as well as the design itself, are defined for specific user roles. At this point, the requirements prototype will come into play, as well as the user's involvement to clear some possible wrong ideas. In a later stage of this statement, it's time to go into depth about how the system will control and apply operation after each event, and also go into detail about the error and the conflict handling. At this point, we have all the requirements to start designing the physical solution.
To assure quality of this part of the project, you have the user involvement, which is strongly recommended by SSADM. Also, the SSADM is one of the methodologies which can be customized to your needs, and as a skilled developer, you should be able to add some features to ensure the quality.
The product of this stage is a logical design which is made of data catalog and logical process model. It includes dialogues and module for the update and the inquiry processes.
We have already stated that by making all the documentation, your project should be very traceable. So at the same time, in SSADM, if you notice that a mistake has been made, it would require a lot of changes. But you will know pretty well where the mistake was made and be able to return in that stage of work from it again.
Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.